Hello, and welcome back to Voice of Wisdom. As we journey through life, our bodies and daily routines naturally evolve, along with the rich experiences, cherished memories, and hard-earned wisdom that come with age. We sometimes face new challenges, aches, fatigue, and physical limitations that can make everyday tasks feel more demanding than they used to. Simple chores, like tidying up the house, can suddenly feel like monumental efforts. If you've ever found yourself feeling sore after just a few minutes of sweeping, or looking around at a cluttered space and thinking, where do I even begin? Know that you are not alone. These feelings are common, and it's perfectly okay to acknowledge them. But here's the encouraging part. Keeping a clean and welcoming home doesn't have to be exhausting or painful. You don't need to spend hours scrubbing or risk straining your body to maintain a space you feel proud of. With a few smart adjustments, cleaning can become a gentler, more manageable task. In today's video, I'll be sharing 9 simple and practical cleaning tips that are perfect for seniors, individuals with mobility challenges, or anyone who deals with chronic discomfort or low energy. These are not heavy-duty cleaning routines. They're thoughtful hacks designed to make life easier, protect your body, and still give you that wonderful feeling of a clean, organized home. From handy grabber tools that save your back from constant bending, to lightweight mops and dusters that do the hard work for you, these tips are about working smarter, not harder. I'll also share strategies to minimize unnecessary movements and techniques that allow you to clean little by little without ever feeling overwhelmed. So grab a cozy cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore how to simplify cleaning in a way that's kind to your body and your energy levels. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Voice of Wisdom, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future videos filled with practical tips and timeless advice for living well at every stage of life. Hack 1. The grabber tool, your new best friend. Let's start with the grabber tool, which is probably one of the best inventions for those of us who struggle with bending or reaching. This little tool is a game changer. Whether you're picking up something that's just out of reach or trying to grab an item from the floor without straining your back, the grabber tool does all the work for you. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and comes in all shapes and sizes. Some even come with a magnetic tip so you can pick up small metal objects without any hassle. It's also great for grabbing things on high shelves, so you don't need to risk climbing a ladder or straining your body. It's the perfect extension of your arm. No bending, no lifting, just a simple grab. Hack 2. The magic of disposable cleaning wipes. Next, let's talk about disposable cleaning wipes. These are a must-have in any home, and they're a total game changer when it comes to making cleaning easier. The best part? No buckets of water or rags needed. Just grab a wipe and you're ready to go. They're perfect for quickly dusting counters, wiping down kitchen surfaces, and even cleaning your bathroom. For someone with limited mobility or pain, disposable wipes are a blessing. They're portable, fast, and super effective, allowing you to clean in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Plus, you can choose wipes with different scents, so your home smells fresh without any extra effort. It's like a mini cleanup session in a pack. Hack 3. Stick on shower grips for safety and efficiency. Now, let's talk about safety in the bathroom. If you struggle to stand while showering or need a little extra help with balance, stick-on shower grips are your new best friend. They provide additional support and stability while you clean your shower walls or scrub your feet. These grips are incredibly easy to install. You don't need a handyman to put them up, just peel off the backing and stick them to your shower wall. They give you something to hold on to while you scrub, making cleaning your shower safer and more comfortable. Not only do these grips help with balance, but they also make cleaning more manageable. You won't have to worry about slipping while you scrub the walls or tiles, which can be a major concern for those with limited mobility or pain. Hack 4. Lazy Susan for easy access. Have you ever wished for an easier way to organize your cleaning supplies? Well, meet the Lazy Susan. It's the easiest way to store and access your cleaning products without bending down or reaching high up into cabinets. Simply place it in your cabinet or on your counter and spin it to grab whatever you need. Not only does this save you time, but it also eliminates the need to stretch and strain. Everything is right at your fingertips. You can even store your favorite cleaning wipes, sponges, or sprays in one spot. It's perfect for making sure you never have to waste energy looking for things. Hack 5. The Swiffer Mop. A no-bend cleaning solution. Next, let's talk about mopping. But don't worry, this is going to be as easy as it gets. The Swiffer mop is a fantastic option for those who don't want to carry around heavy buckets of water or strain their body with a traditional mop. All you need to do is attach a cleaning pad and glide it across the floor. The Swiffer is great because it's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and dries the floor almost instantly. You can clean your entire living room or kitchen in no time, and there's no need to worry about bending down to rinse out a mop. Plus, it leaves your floors shining with very little effort. Hack 6. Use a cordless vacuum for quick cleanups. Vacuuming doesn't have to be a full-body workout anymore. With a lightweight cordless vacuum, you can clean floors, carpets, and even tight corners with ease. No dragging heavy vacuum cleaners around. No worrying about tangled cords, just grab it, turn it on, and start cleaning. These vacuums are often small and compact, making them ideal for seniors or anyone with limited strength or mobility. You can even find models that are powerful enough to pick up pet hair, dust, and debris, all while being light enough to handle with ease. Hack 7. Long-handled dusters for high reaches. Now, let's talk about dusting. If you struggle to reach those high shelves or light fixtures, a long-handled duster is an absolute must. It allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas without standing on a stepladder or twisting your body into painful positions. These dusters are lightweight, extendable, and designed to trap dust effectively. No more worrying about the buildup of dust on high places that can make your home feel dingy. Just extend, dust, and you're done. Hack 8. Clean as you go. Here's a simple but incredibly effective hack. Clean as you go. Instead of letting dishes or crumbs pile up, try cleaning little by little as you're cooking or doing daily tasks. If you wipe down the counter as you finish chopping or clean your utensils between uses, it makes tidying up much easier. By cleaning as you go, you prevent messes from building up and make the big cleaning sessions a lot less overwhelming. You're saving your energy and keeping the space tidy without all the hard work. Hack 9. Delegate tasks with a cleaning checklist. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you have family members, caregivers, or friends around, creating a cleaning checklist can make things a lot easier. Assign specific tasks to others, like wiping down counters, vacuuming, or washing dishes, so you're not doing it all on your own. Sharing the workload not only makes cleaning more manageable, but it also gives you time to rest and recover. After all, teamwork makes the dream work. Look at that. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed your space without breaking a sweat or pushing your body beyond its limits. Sometimes, it's not about doing everything perfectly or cleaning for hours at a time. It's about finding ways to make life easier and more enjoyable, even when it feels like the weight of the world is on your shoulders. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain, fatigue, or limited mobility, remember that you don't have to do it all at once or do it all yourself. Little by little, these small, lazy, yet effective cleaning hacks can help you maintain a home that not only looks good, but feels good a space where you can rest, recharge, and enjoy life without the constant pressure of chores weighing on you. These hacks are about working smarter, not harder. And more than that, they're about preserving your well-being and energy so you can focus on what truly matters: your health, your relationships, and your peace of mind. Final thoughts. As we journey through different seasons of life, it's essential to remind ourselves that challenges are simply part of the path, not the definition of who we are. While our bodies may slow down or present new limitations, our spirit, our wisdom, and our ability to create comfort and joy in our surroundings remain as strong as ever. Maintaining a clean and peaceful home isn't about chasing perfection. It's about creating an environment that supports your well-being and brings you a sense of calm. The cleaning tips we explored today aren't just chores. They are practical steps that make daily life a little easier, freeing up your time and energy for the things that truly bring you joy. Thank you for spending this time with me here at Voice of Wisdom. My hope is that these simple strategies will help you feel more at ease in your home, allowing you to focus on what really matters, whether that's enjoying a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or simply resting without worry. Always remember, even the smallest adjustments can lead to meaningful improvements. Every little effort you make adds up, paving the way for a life that feels lighter, simpler, and more fulfilling. I would love to hear from you. Do you have a favorite cleaning tip that works wonders for you? Or is there a particular area you find most challenging to keep up with? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences might just inspire someone else in our community. Before you go, if you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Voice of Wisdom, and click the notification bell so you won't miss our future content filled with helpful tips and thoughtful advice for living well. Also, consider sharing this video with a friend or family member who might benefit. It could make a world of difference for them. We're in this together, supporting each other one step at a time. Take good care of yourself, and always remember small, steady steps lead to the biggest transformations. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay comfortable.